Year 3, more work on money, but this time we're going to work in whole dollars. And this is actually easier because we don't work with parts of dollars or the decimals that we have for cents. Okay, so let's have a look at how we would use whole dollars when we need to buy things. I have $16 and I want to buy a game for $44. Okay, so he doesn't have enough money. The game's going to cost $44, but he's only got $16. How could you work out the extra money needed? There's a couple of ways we can do this. We could do it as a number sentence, 44 minus 16, okay? And if we did that using our vertical algorithm, we would go 44 minus 16. We'll be doing more on vertical algorithms later in the term, but I'm just introducing them to you now. Okay, now we've got 4 and we need to take away 6, so we can't do that. But what we're going to do is borrow from this tens column here. And we're going to change that to 3 tens instead of 4 tens. And we're going to bring that group of 10 that we took from here and put it over here to make 14. Now we've got 14 minus 6, 8. And we've got 3 or 30 minus 10 is 20, or 3 minus 2. So that's using our vertical algorithm. The other way we could do it is to use a number line starting at 44. And then we would take jumps until we got to 16. So we would say jump of 10, 34, another jump of 10, 24. Now, if we do another jump of 10, that's going to take us to 14, okay? So that's going to be too low. We need to get to 16 and 14 is going to be too low. So we're going to have to do jumps of 1 now. We've done 2 jumps of 10 and we'll do jumps of 1 from 24 until we get to 16. So 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. That was a rather wobbly one there at the beginning. Okay, so now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got a total number of jumps of 10, 10 and 8. So the answer again is 28. Okay, so that's what, draw a money picture. So you could use the dollars or a number line to show your thinking, and that's using the number line. Or you can use the vertical algorithm if you are comfortable with that. Our next one, I have $72. So in this one, he didn't have enough money and he needed to find out how much more he needed. In this case, he's got $72 and he wants to buy a game for $23. How could you work out the amount of money that will be left over? It's a bit like finding the change. So it's exactly the same process. Okay, we could use our vertical algorithm, we could draw the notes, we could use a number line, 72, 72 minus 23, so our first jump of 10, so another jump of 10. Now we've got to do a jump of 3, so we're at 72, 62, 52, and now a jump, 3 jumps of 1s, 52, 51, 50, 49. There's our 3 jumps. So the answer would be $49. Okay, let's have a look at our workbook for today. Okay, there's the one we've just done. Imagine you have $36, write a number sentence to show the difference between that amount and the piece of each item. So in this one, a bowling ball, $68 minus $36. How much do I need to have? How much more money do I need? Or $36 minus $24. I've already got enough money. How much change should I receive? Okay, imagine you have $45. Write a number sentence to show the difference between that amount and the price of each item. Okay, doing exactly the same thing as we've been doing over on the other page. And you need to show your thinking here, which is an important part of maths. Karen had $73 in her purse. After buying some groceries, she had $26 left. How much money did she spend? Again, you're taking away or subtracting. Ethan spent $53 on 2 shirts and received $17 in change. How much did he give the shopkeeper to pay for the shirts? He spent $53 on 2 shirts and he received $17 in change. So this isn't going to be a subtraction problem. So think about that one carefully. Okay, the number in each brick is the total of the 2 numbers below. Work from the top of the pyramid to write missing numbers. And now you're going to have to work out what adds up to, what is the number that I add to 98 to get to 186. And to do that, you're going to have to do a subtraction of 186 minus 98. Okay, when you've done that, you'll have a number here. You'll use that number to subtract 41, and that will tell you the number that should go in here. When you've got that number, you'll be able to subtract that number from 98, tell you the number that should go in here. Okay, and then you fill in the bottom ones. Okay, but you're still always using those purple pathways there to make sure that the 2 numbers on each side add up to the one above it. And you can see you're going to have to be very careful at the bottom here to make sure that those 2 numbers can work on both sides, because these ones are using both of them. Okay, have fun with that. That's our second lesson for today. And then we've got our Friday investigation for tomorrow. All right, you're going to be doing pages 230 and 231.